What's good, family? What's good? It's your boy, Mr. P. Welcome to another episode of Sunday Morning Markups. First of all, we want to shout out our sponsors over there at Sway Markets. We are the official affiliates of Sway Markets. Make sure you lock in and get your account open today. All right. If you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel, feel free to do so right now. Feel free to go to PIP'Neasy.com so you can stay updated with all the pip talks, the markups, and the interviews that we have with these phenomenal success stories with these Forex educators and affiliates, right? Like I said before, make sure you go to swaymarkets.com or hit the link below and lock in with the best broker in the game. Family, I don't know if y'all know, but these affiliates are paying out crazy. This is just an example of daily payouts from one of our affiliates. These are daily payouts, family. It's crazy. So this is one of my personal goals, to get to this level to where we're making at least $1,000 a day passive just through the affiliate program. So make sure you guys get locked in, hit the link below, and make sure you go to PIP'Neasy.com and join our free channel. All right. Simply join the free chat and just join the channel, family. It's a great community. Make sure y'all lock in, man. It's a great community. You stay giving out some sauce. And shout out to Sway. Shop Sway. Feel free to lock in with this as well. Talk to me nice. Hey. The Sway gear is here. Make sure you lock in with that as well. Hold on 1 second. My pit bull back here tripping. All right, so let's get into it, family. Give me 1 second and we're going to get this thing rolling. I'm going to get this thing rolling. Give me 1 second, family. All right. All right, family. So let's see what we was looking at. Last week was pretty amazing. I can't lie. We did do some cool things last week. We was able to capitalize on some market momentum, and we was able to eat off a few things. So we was in this ACAD buy. We bought this, I think, one time last week. I do like this zone. Would love to see this continue to get bullish. We do have 5 more days left in this month. Real curious how this closed. I would love to see this push up. As you can see, it's looking real good right here in this zone. This is the monthly. So this is a big time frame, family. But I definitely want to see some momentum. I want to see this get bullish. which will be really nice. All right, let's look at the weekly. The weekly, everything is closed below this previous low. I mean, closed above this previous low here, as you see. So be on the lookout for ACAT for buys. We may get a push down because we do have a nice zone on a monthly that can get bearish. But I do like that price is closed above this previous candle here on this weekly. So I would love to see something like this. This would be nice. We can get a candle to do something like that. That would be nice. Right? Get a head and shoulders there with a push up. So keep an eye on ACAT for buys, even off this daily. Like we have a daily bullish engulfing, as you see right here. Would love to see a buy zone off of that. That would be nice. So if we can catch something like that, tight stop, either there or there. It will be our first stop loss. This will be our second. So be on the lookout for that, family. I would love to see that. Let me send this to the chat. He's back to you. Okay. That would be nice right there. ACAT. Yeah, let's send this out right quick. And feel free to join. We do have a premier chat. Get all the exclusives. ACAT. Okay. All right, let's move on. CJ. Now this daily did close below. We did sell this. We got 100 pips off this last week. It was pretty nice. Would love to see this monthly candle close below here. So that would be a nice pullback if we can get this. We can get this pullback to come down here. That's another 75, 80 pips, which would be nice. Risk reward is reasonable. We do have a daily confirmation. The weekly didn't close how we wanted to see it close. We wanted to see it close below here, and it didn't. It closed above. So worst case scenario, I do believe we can get this retest at least to here. But on the bigger picture, I do believe in 5 more days, we can definitely, the rest of this week, we can definitely pull back down here and be able to close below this. But let's keep an eye on it. But we do have a daily bearish confirmation. So I do like the potential that this can come on down here, back down there. So I do like that. But risk reward would be nice. So if it does break this zone right here, then that's pretty much a wrap. We're going to just leave this alone or wait on a retest after this break. So keep an eye on CJ. Right, I would love to see CJ come down here, man. Keep an eye on CJ though. Like we've been rocking with CJ for the past couple weeks. So last week we ate good, really good off of it. It would be nice if we can get this. That would be phenomenal, actually. All right. So let's keep pushing. NJ hit our sell zone and came right back. So as you see, NJ came up that Thursday, I believe, and then it sold down about 70 pips. We took profit.
And then they got bullish. So this daily close super bullish. Definitely got to do a little bit of research on the Japanese yen to see what's going on. But this monthly, I would love to see this monthly come on down, come on down to the price is right. You understand me? If we can get that thing back down here, that would be pretty nice. Ain't gonna lie. Would love to see it come back down here to this area. Um, that would be nice. So let's see how this monthly close. But definitely would love to see price come all the way down here. We are not getting any type of sell confirmation, especially off of the daily. It's definitely bullish. But right now, this weekly have not closed above this previous high. And on this weekly, it looks like a break and retest. In my opinion, we have a nice trend right here. We have a break of the trend and we have the retest, right? So I would love to see it come back down here. That would be phenomenal. So keep an eye on NJ as well. Everything's been super bullish. We're looking for reversals. This sale on EA was phenomenal. We sold this. We've been in this for almost a month. Definitely want to see it come back down here, but we did take partials and we took profit. Want to see it come all the way down to about 1.6 thousand, which would be amazing, right? So if you haven't been in this, let's see if you can potentially catch something off this daily. Now, if price gets bullish, we can catch something around this area here, this second sell zone. But we definitely been eating off EA. So we're getting a lot of nice rejection here, but it looks like it wants to continue to drop, right? So um, only way I'm gonna get in is if it pushes up here. We do have an entry here, small lot. We have taken partials along the way. But if price comes back up here, as you see, I do believe we have an alert set so we can catch this sell back down. So keep an eye on that for EA. Now, this is the daily time frame, so it may take the week to get up here, but it's definitely a play we're waiting on. So keep an eye on that. It's not something we're going to spend too much time on. Now, ECAD been going crazy as well. We caught this sale, and it's been a beautiful thing. I would love to see it break here, and we can catch it again on a retest for the continuation. This monthly close like this, we definitely looking for some type of break off of this support level here. All right. The weekly sold off of this zone really nice right here. And then wow, to the drop. Wonderful. Pretty. This is super sexy. Um, Definitely want to see the continuation. We get this break, retest, get little. It may come back up here. It's a zone up here, I believe, on a 4 hour that we're looking at. Might be a liquidity grab, and then we get the tank, but definitely waiting on a break and retest or some bullish momentum to the downside. All right, so keep an eye on that as well. Let me see. Let me go ahead and send this out really quick. All right, let's go ahead and send this to the chat as well. I'll do like this setup here. All right, let's see. EG been consolidating crazy. We've been waiting on this break and retest for weeks. We did capitalize on a little bit of this momentum off of these zones here, this consolidation. As you see, price has been respecting this consolidation. So we've been able to capitalize off of this momentum. Now we're waiting on a breakout. So when this breakout happens, we will capitalize on the retest, whichever way it decides to break. Now, right now in this weekly, it's super bullish here. So yeah, I do believe we might get the break to the upside. All right. But just keep an eye on this. This can play out nicely. Right. This can play out real nicely. So be on the lookout for that as well. EG. All right, let me see. EJ. EJ been respecting, but let me tell you, it's a bigger picture here, man. I want to see the push up, which is a little bit biased because I want to see the yen get some type of strength in it. It's been super weak all year. Definitely want to see it push up here, but this is a lot of rejection. But it was rejecting here, as you can see, it pushed up. Let's see what this monthly looks like. See, this is the zone we would like to see. This monthly zone get hit and then potentially take this back down for a swing. All right. So we're just watching EJ. We're not executing on that. EN. EN, I honestly want to see EN buy. It's been respecting this trend. Here it's bouncing off a monthly engulfing zone. As you can see, it broke here, broke this resistance here, and it retested, and it's been riding this trend here. So I would love to see a continuation on a bullish momentum off this monthly. The weekly, like I said, looks like a nice retest zone. So let's just keep an eye on this. I'm not executing just yet. I need some bullish confirmation. But I do want to keep an eye on this. We did catch this sale. As you can see, it sold nicely. This is some good pips. This is our sell zone. That's 400 plus pips. It's a beautiful swing trade right there. Now GA didn't hit our zone yet because we wanted to see it come up here. It faked us out, came almost there, and then it just tanked for like 2-3 weeks. So it's not in a place that we would like to do anything just yet. This monthly time frame, we get a bearish confirmation on this monthly. I do believe we can continue to ride it down here. So we just keep an eye on this. This monthly is looking really nice. Really wish we would have got what we wanted off of this push. It didn't get there just yet, but it did almost get there in the tank. So we was right. We was just off on our entry, but keep an eye on GA. GCAD has been doing this spinner name. Oh my goodness. We smacked TP2 on here, man, and closed out, but man, this thing is doing numbers. As you can see, our setup played out beautifully, right? We had 3 sell zones off this daily that was just beautiful. So this was sell zone 1, smack TP1. We got back in, sell zone 2, smack TP1. Then we bought again off this daily. Sold again off this daily, and then we smacked TP2 and beyond. Now, we was waiting on the reversal, but we didn't want to force anything. But as you can see, prices broke in those 2 levels. So at this point, we just watching. We just watching for sure. So just keep an eye on GCAD. This would be the potential next level. But we just watching, man. That's beautiful. If we can come back up here and get a retest off of this break, oof, that would be nice too. So keep an eye on CAD. It's not in a place where I would do anything. We just watching. Same thing with GJ. We just watching. We waiting on to see some type of confirmation, some nice support level. GN did the same thing. We caught this sell entry. Boom. We tried to buy it up here. And we caught an L because it just broke. Like it really broke. It's been tanking. Really curious to see what this is gonna bounce off of. But we did capitalize on this sell, and we did get some hundreds of pips off of that. Gold has been doing this thing, man. It's not really been. Gold give you 100 pips a day, basically. So just a matter of finding where you want to do that at. I would like to see a sell at like 1960, 1958. That would be nice if we can catch that sale. And also, we have sale limits at like 2005, 2010 area. But price has just been doing this thing. It's been kind of consolidating on this bigger time frame. As you see, this weekly been playing in this zone. But those are good pips. This is gold we're talking about. Very volatile. So if you guys are trading gold, just be aware that I do want to see a breakout. We do have a gap down here at 1860, 65. So I haven't been trading gold lately because it's not in a place I want to trade it, but it do look good in a couple areas. US 30 sold heavy. I do believe it's going to continue to sell heavy. We may get a nice push up. I would love to see a push up to this zone here, get really, really bullish, and then drop, like drop. So keep an eye on that. We was selling off this weekly. Didn't call out any sales last week, but the week before that, a few weeks back, we did catch this sale off of here. And hold on really quick. Okay, so that would be nice for 30. Oil is in a nice zone. We can potentially sell here, but if it breaks, we'll definitely catch the buy. Um, like I said, it hasn't closed above here, but if it does break, we'll catch this retest for the continuation. But we do have a sell zone down here. I mean, the buy zone down here at like 81, 80 area. So keep an eye on that as well. Amazon off this weekly has been doing this thing. We definitely sold Amazon. If you guys are not aware, our target is 127. We're at 129 right now. Let's see how this thing opens up on Monday. But other than that, family, this is another episode of Sunday Morning Markups, family. Make sure you go to the YouTube page, subscribe, like, and comment. We also have all the how-to videos on Sway Markets, how to become an affiliate, all right, how to open a demo account, how to get paid in your sleep, how to make a withdrawal, how to do an internal transfer, how to make a deposit, family. And we do have another episode coming up. Make sure you check out the last episode with Ryan, one of the well-seasoned traders. He's been in the game for over 10 years. His story is pretty dope. So make sure y'all check that out as well. And also make sure you go to pimpinaneasy.com and join the Telegram family. And don't forget to lock in with the best broker in the game, hands down. All right, so we'll see you next time on Sunday Morning Markups. It's your boy, Mr. P. Shout out to all my partners over there at Pimpin' Ain't Easy and everyone in the chats, man. Have a phenomenal, blessed, productive, and profitable week. And we'll catch up with you a little later, family. Peace and love. Let's get it.